Hey cruising crew, and welcome to the channel. I'm Alexis, and in today's video I'm going to be going over Royal Caribbean's drink packages for 2026. If you're anything like me, nothing screams vacation than a nice cold pina colada by the pool. But how do you pick the perfect package without blowing your budget? I've got the scoop on every type, what's included, and those juicy 2026 prices that'll keep your wallet happy and your glass full. So without further ado, grab your favorite drink, hit that subscribe button, and let's just get into it. First things first, Royal Caribbean's got booze. I mean, lots of drinks. They have three main packages that you can purchase when booking your next sailing. Now, prices, they do fluctuate based on your ship, sailing date, and if it's peak season or if you're on a mega ship like Icon of the Seas. We're also going to be talking pre-cruise deals that can slash 20 to 40% off, but on board, those are full price. You definitely want to book before you're sailing because once you get on board and you book your drink package on board, it will be more. Plus, remember that 18% gratuity is added onto the price of your purchase. Now, one thing I do want to add is that if you are sharing a room with someone who is 21 years or older, you do have to get the same package. So if you purchase the deluxe drink package and your person you're staying with doesn't like to drink, you guys kind of have to figure something out, because if you do purchase a drink package, that same person has to have the same one as well. Package number one, this is the classic soda package. This is for someone who likes those sodas, those unlimited fountain drinks like Coca-Cola. You can also add flavors. They also hook you up with a cool souvenir cup, which is super fun and it makes the kids happy as well. This is perfect for kids or someone that likes nice lemonades or iced teas and stuff like that. The price of this is going to range from $12 to $18 per person per day, which is actually a pretty good deal. If you think about it, a canned Coke is something like almost $4 now. So if you just get a couple of sodas, then it's absolutely worth it. Level up to the Royal Refreshment Package. This is the second package that they provide, and this one's for people who like non-alcoholic cocktails, fresh squeezed juices, specialty coffees, teas, smoothies, bottled water, and yeah, just your classic sodas. The price for this is from $29 to $42 per person per day. And if you think about it, if you like specialty coffees, if you like specialty smoothies and stuff like that, but you don't like to drink alcohol, then this is absolutely for you. And now the VIP of the bunch, the Deluxe Beverage Package. This is for someone who wants unlimited everything. You have unlimited cocktails, unlimited wines, beers, spirits, smoothies, teas, specialty coffees, bottled water, unlimited everything. So if you're someone that likes to drink alcohol, likes to drink coffee, likes to drink bottled water, then this is definitely for you. When you purchase this package, you also get 40% off to a bottle of wine. So if you're a wine lover and you would like to buy a bottle of wine for dinner or something, you do get a little discount for that. This is going to range you from $56 to $120 per person per day. And I'm telling you to pre-book this before you're sailing. There are always deals going on. And even if you do purchase a package, still keep looking every day after, because sometimes they just throw in random sales and random deals. I guarantee you that you can always find a really good deal before you get on board. That is my biggest tip, is that to book these packages before on board. I think this is absolutely worth it, because if you think about it, if you get a specialty coffee in the morning with a bottled water, then you go to the gym, you get a fresh squeezed juice, a protein shake, that's already 4 drinks that'll cost you well up to almost like that $50 range. So it's definitely worth it if you like to drink. Now, there are a couple of extras. So you can purchase the Cafe Select card for $31 flat, and that gives you 15 specialty coffees for the cruise. So if you're just someone that cares about specialty coffee, then this is an absolute, I think, no-brainer. That's such a good deal. You can also purchase a 12-pack of bottled water for $45. And you can also each person can bring 1 bottle of wine per person on the cruise with you. if all you want is just a couple glasses of wine for the cruise. Now, the $1 million question, is a package worth it? We're talking with cocktails starting at $14, beer at $11, wine at $14 as well. Plus, with gratuity, I think it's an absolute no-brainer. By drink 5, it's already paid for itself, especially if you like specialty coffees or higher end liquor, then it will absolutely pay for itself. I personally always get the drink package whenever sailing, just so I have no thoughts on what the prices are. And I do like to drink. I like bottled water, I like specialty coffee, I like juices, I like that higher end liquor as well. So for me, it's absolutely worth it. I want to know what package you guys would pick. Are you guys just a soda drinker, or do you like the deluxe premium package as well? I would love to hear from you guys. I do think that Royal Caribbean's drink package is a pretty good one. I did make a video on the celebrity cruise packages, which I will link right up here for you guys. So go check that out. If you guys found this video helpful or enjoyed it at all, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you're always updated with all things cruising and travel. Don't forget to always seize the day, and I'll catch you in the next one.